In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade an image to transparent in Canva. We'll go through each step carefully, giving you a clear and easy-to-follow guide so you can achieve the perfect fade effect for your design projects. Let's dive in. First things first, open Canva on your preferred web browser. If you don't already have an account, now would be a great time to set one up. Once logged in, you'll need to select any template that complements your design preferences. You can opt for standard sizes like an Instagram post, a presentation slide, or even custom dimensions depending on your needs. With your template ready, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and click on Uploads. This is where you'll upload the image you want to fade. Choose your file from your device and it will appear in the Upload section. Simply click on the image to insert it into your workspace. Once your image is on the canvas, take a moment to adjust its size. Click and hold the corner dots and drag them outwards to enlarge your image to the desired size. Remember, resizing might impact the image's quality, so be mindful of that. After resizing, position your image properly within the frame, ensuring it's where you want the fade to begin. Next, let's explore Canva's features to create the fade effect. Head over to Apps on the side menu and type in Image Blender in the search bar. Among the results, you'll see options for image blending tools. Choose the first option to access the tool. Once the blender is open, select the image in your workspace to apply the effect. Look for the option labeled Linear within the tools provided by the app. This will enable you to create a gradual effect starting from one point and fading to another. Now click and drag the dots to define where you want the fade to start and end on your image. This step is crucial for achieving the smooth transition effect from your image to the transparent background. After you've set the fade locations, adjust the strength of the fade by increasing or decreasing the transparency level. This customization allows you to go for a subtle transition or a more defined one, depending on your aesthetic preference. Now that your image is properly faded, it's time to save your work. Click on the Save button and your design will be stored safely on Canva's platform. Before finishing up, you might want to match your background color with the picture, a small but impactful detail. Click the background and then Colors to ensure everything blends seamlessly. Finally, use the Background Remover tool for any additional cleanup, and you're done. Enjoy your newly created design with a perfectly faded image. Why not experiment with other images and settings in Canva to discover even more possibilities? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.